So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching, please subscribe and like. So today we're gonna study and do my homework, and then we also have like science. Here we have science. So we have like 3 weeks to do our project for science, and then now we have like French. This is my French homework. And then another one is spelling test. We have all of these words we have to practice. Let me read for you the words. We have like following, observed, studied, stuffed, asleep, chasing, cherish, curious, everything, everyone, someone, something. So let me check if that's all of them. Yeah, we also have AUKUS, division, explosion, television, invitation, extension, penetration, vision. We have 20 words, so guys, we're gonna start with French. Okay, now let me see. We have like the pictures, and then here we have nom, prenom, age, activities. So nom means your family name, and then prenom means your own name. So we have a boy here who is called who we have to say. We have practice, and then after like some weeks, 2 weeks, not just 2 weeks, maybe 3 or 2. On 30th of May, we're having International Day. And then International Day is when we're going to do DELF. But no, this week, this week we're gonna do something very nice on Friday. It's gonna be the best day. And then on June, we have already closed school, so guys, we're gonna start with French. Let me first get it, and then just tell me. Let me get it. Okay, so let's write. We have like this part. Let me do something. Okay, here it's like it says nom, and then we have so many pictures. Let me show you the pictures. These are the pictures, and then we have this. So let's start for the first one. This is the first one. This is the second one. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 3. Okay, this is the first one. The first one is this, and the second one is this, and then the third one is this too. So let's start. So the first one says nom, and we have to write Miguel. Second, it says prenom. You have to write Kerdic, and then age is 9. And then in French you say age is neuf ans. Yeah, 9 ans. And then it says activities. Let me write. And then it has 2 lines that it shows you what you're going to do. So let's write. The first one is the natation. So you write. Let me spell it for you. LA, and then you do a space, and then you write NATASION, natation. And then the second one is a piano. Let me spell it PIANO. So first we're done with the first page. Let me show you very well. Can you see? Okay, let me see very well. Yeah, there's the first one, and then the second one, and then this one. Now let's go to the next page. The next page is like this. Let me show you. We have so many lines. And then let me write, and then I show you. And then it has dog, snow, trees, house, garden, TV, cake, and books. Let me write, and then I write Chien means a dog. Second, arbre means tree. Maison means house. Jardin means garden. Television means TV. Gâteau means cake. Then livre means books for reading. Let me write everything and then we go to the next page. Okay guys, I'm done. Let's go to the next page. So guys, I did a mistake, so let me do something here. Okay guys, here is it. We're going to circle while I write and then you see. Let me show you. First, let me read. Pour l'instant à la prince demain tu apportes. So here it's un matin de bain. So we have like that means like swimming costumes for girls, and then now you have to circle this. You see where I circled? Wait, let me show you very well. You see where I circled? That's what Melotte de bain means. Then we go to the second one. Une casquette. Une casquette means a hat, a cape, maybe a hat or a cape. It's the same. So we have to circle it there. Okay, here. Can you see very well? Yeah, this. Second, its third is une pomme. Une pomme, I think everyone knows. Une pomme means an apple. I just say it for the people who don't know. So let me show you very well. Let me circle first. Here we go. We're almost done. We only have one more, and then the last one is une botte de and this is it. It's a sunscreen. Let me show you very well. If you can see, tell me. Okay, guys, that's the end. Let me check very well. So this is the last thing we're doing. It's let me read it for you. It's just about listening. The first one, j'étais in cinéma samedi de la November. 17. Nous avons vu un film et pris une glace avec mes parents. Tu viens, Juliette. So here it talks. Tu vas avec Juliette. So here is Juliette. He went to the cinema, and then you have to do an X. So we X the cinema, and then we go to the next one. It says invité pour. So it says, when did he go to the cinema? So let me see very well. We have 3 of them. Le matin is in the morning. You say bonjour. The morning, and then his second is midi, maybe mid-morning. Yeah, it's mid-morning. It's mid-morning. And then the last one is après-midi. Après-midi means good afternoon. So the answer is good. It's in the afternoon. They went to the cinema in the afternoon. We're all done. And then the last one, tu m'as Julie. It says, what did Juliet eat? So let's see. Let's first see. La glace. La glace means ice cream, and it's usually sounds like glass, the one that we always use. So let's write it down. Okay guys, we're all done with French, so let's go to the next activity. So guys, we're on science. We're gonna do science. Let me read for you. Project 1, life science. We're on the first project. Let me title, create a habit diagram. Objects, not understanding a habit, the independence of plants, animals, and how they adapt to their environment. Sensible thinking. Identify how special and fact within their habit. Create. Design a 3D model. Choose a habit for choose a habit. Forest, desert, ocean, or grassland. Me, I choose an ocean. It's super deep. Maybe I'll choose something else like a desert or a forest. I'll think of it once I'm finished thinking of it. I'll tell you. So let's go to the next one. Research its plant, animal, and similar using books or the internet. Create a 3D domino in a recyclable box. Include at least 3 plants and 3 animals. Label them. Write a report. Explain key features of the habit. How plants and animals live on each other to survive. Project 2, human body. Let's materials, a shoebox, recycled materials, paper, cardboard, bottle caps, and the last one it's glue and a marker. Let's go to the second project. We actually have like 4 projects here. 4. Second project is human body. Build a human body system model. Explain the main parts of a human body system and their function. Explain the system in writing. Work with families or peers to build the model. Choose one human body system. Select and replace. Research its main parts and their roles. Build a model using recyclable materials and label the parts. I think we're on project. Let's see very well. And this project, and then let's go to write a report, design how the system works and why it's important for the body. Material, straw, yarn, cardboard, bottle caps, marker. Okay guys, we're on third project. Project 3, Earth and Space Science. We're gonna have fun. Title, Dark and Amazing Weather Patterns. Observe recent and local weather patterns to understand change over time. Analyzing weather dates, data, design of observation with families, using tools like weather apps or rhythm for research. Record daily weather content for 7 days. Temperature, rainfall, wind, and cloud cover. Create a weather chart of graph to present the data. I think we're on the second. Okay. Write a report explaining the parts of observed them to describe from weather function. Materials. We need a notebook, recyclable materials for our chat, class actor, to our weather app for business. We're on the mail. Yeah, we're on the. Let me see very well. Yeah, we're on the last one, and the last one is Project 4, Physical Science. Let's build a bridge. Explore and journey completed by designing a bridge that can hold weight. Design a study bridge using everyday materials and right. Work with family members to test guidance. Bridges, different types of bridge and how they are constructed. Use recycled materials to build a bridge that can hold at least one small object, a toy car or a book. Write a report explain the type of bridge design, beam access, changes, facts, journey, conclusion, and how they were solved. Materials: cardboard, tape, paper, towel rolls, string, bottle cape, small objects for testing. Key to students more understanding a science through their models and report. Children's project develop second thinking, creative connection. Students choose their topic and ability to create their project, study, reflect on their process through their write reports. So guys, we're done with science. I'll do this project maybe next week when I'm done collecting the materials. So maybe I'll start with any projects. So guys, see you next time. Bye.